This is why you need to know algebra. Algebra is not just a subject you study in school. It's a fundamental skill that helps you solve real-world problems. Whether you're calculating the cost of groceries, planning a trip, or even coding a computer program, algebra is there to help you make sense of the numbers and variables involved. It's like having a superpower that allows you to break down complex problems into manageable steps. So, let's dive in and unlock the secrets of algebra together. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1, identify the variable. The variable is the unknown value you're trying to find. It's usually represented by a letter like X or Y. Step 1, identify the variable. That's the unknown you're solving for, usually a letter like X. Step 2, isolate the variable. This means getting the variable all by itself on one side of the equation. To do this, you'll need to perform a series of operations that simplify the equation and move all other terms to the opposite side. Think of it as a puzzle where you're trying to uncover the hidden value of the variable. Think of it as getting X all by itself on one side of the equation. This often involves adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing both sides of the equation to eliminate other terms. For example, if you have the equation 2x plus 3 equals sine 7, your goal is to isolate x by getting rid of the plus 3. This brings us to our next step. If you have 2x plus 3 equals sine 7, you want to get rid of that plus 3. To do this, you'll subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. This keeps the equation balanced while simplifying it. After subtracting 3 from both sides, you'll be left with 2x equals sine 4. Now, the equation is much simpler, and you're one step closer to finding the value of x. Subtract 3 from both sides. This step is crucial because it helps you eliminate the constant term on the same side as the variable. By doing this, you're simplifying the equation and making it easier to solve. Now you've got 2x equals sine 4. The next step is to isolate x completely by getting rid of the coefficient. Now you've got 2x equals sine 4. Step 3, divide both sides by the coefficient of x. The coefficient is the number that is multiplied by the variable. In this case, the coefficient is 2. By dividing both sides of the equation by 2, you can isolate x and find its value. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x. This step is essential because it allows you to solve for the variable. By dividing both sides by the coefficient, you're effectively canceling out the multiplication and isolating the variable. In our example, dividing both sides by 2 gives us x equals sine 2. That's the number in front of x. In our case, it's 2. By dividing both sides of the equation by 2, we can isolate x and find its value. This is a crucial step in solving any algebraic equation, and it's important to understand how to do it correctly. In our case, it's 2. So, divide both sides by 2, boom, x equals 2. You've successfully